Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing 2 slides that show the start and end positions of the same objects. Duplicate the slide so you have an exact copy to modify. On the first slide, position objects where they begin. On the duplicated slide, move or resize those objects to their final states. Make sure object names and layers stay consistent by grouping or keeping order. This helps Keynote match them for Magic Move. Once both slides are ready, you're set to apply the transition. With both slides selected in Slide Navigator, tap Transitions and pick Magic Move. Keynote detects differences and creates smooth animation between states. Next, refine duration and easing to control speed and feel. Shorter durations are punchier, longer ones are cinematic. If objects don't align, check groupings and object names. Identical names help Keynote match items precisely. Preview the transition, then tweak object positions or layering until finalize by running the full presentation to confirm pacing across multiple Magic Move transitions. Make any final timing adjustments and lock or group elements to avoid accidental shifts during editing. When ready, present directly from your iPad or export as a movie at your chosen resolution and frame rate. If a specific object won't animate as expected, rename matching objects, ungroup then regroup, or flatten complex elements to images. That usually forces proper morphing. One quick troubleshooting step: ensure objects are not duplicated with slightly different properties.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.